Welcome back. So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Point by Mr. Singh. In this lecture we are going to learn about Microsoft Azure portal and about our dashboard. So let's go on Azure portal. I have already logged in with my account, so just enter the pass. I need to enter password here. So we must check something. Once you enter the password, you will go on your Azure portal dashboard page. So this is your home screen of the Azure portal. So whenever we are going to open anything in Azure portal, then everything is getting bookmark here in your Azure home screen. Like virtual machine is here, role shelves is here. So everything is getting bookmark here. So let me click start from the left panel. In the left panel, in the top option is Microsoft Azure, and first option is create a resource. So if you're going to click on create a resource, you will get the loads of features here which Microsoft Azure is providing here. So whatever you require to create, you can create here. Or if you want to click on all services, then you also get the same things. Like in all services, you will get the all details of the services which Microsoft Azure is providing. So let's go once in create a resource. If like we are going to create a virtual machine with server 2016, I will click on server 2016. So you will get the WAMP Windows Server 2016. And if you want to create a WAMP Windows Server 2016, then you can create directly here. If you want to create any image virtual machine, just click on here. And if you want to click like this, you can see the popular of this get started here. And in the right side, you will get Windows Server 2016 data center. If you will click on here, then we will select the image for data centers 2016 server image, and we are going to create virtual machine with this data center image. So if we are going to click Ubuntu server, then you will select it here. If you are going to deploy any web application, then you directly click on here. If you are going to click any database, then you can directly click here. Similar in the home page, I already told you, like if we are going to open anything, everything is getting bookmark here. So that is your home page. In your home page, you will get the Azure services which is we have recently used, and after that recent resources which we have created here. And in the navigation panel, you will get your subscription details. If you will click on subscription, then you will get the details of your subscription, which types of subscription you are using, and how much credit is your pending, and how much you are billing. You will get every details here. And if you click on resource group, you will get the resource group details here, how much resource group you have created, how much resource group you have in your Azure portals. So same thing is all resources here. So all resources we will get the same things in like we are getting all services, but in all resources we are getting only that things which we have created in Azure portal. And same is dashboard. Then you will get the some tools also in your home screen. If you want to remove that, you can also remove. And after that is your option is dashboard. If you click on dashboard, you will get the your dashboard screen here like this. And you can also customize your dashboard according to your requirements, and you can monitor your from everything from your dashboard, like whatever you have created in your Azure portals. So if you want to create new dashboard, you can also create new dashboard. If you want to upload any existing dashboard, you can also upload. If you want to download your customized dashboard, you can also download it. And if you want to download edit it, you can also edit it here. So if you want to edit your dashboard here, you can click on edit, and whatever things you want to click, like I will delete it this one first, and I will delete this one also. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to delete this one and this one also. Like if nothing is here, just we are going to done one customizing once, and now you have, and you don't have anything in your Azure dashboards. So let me edit it again, and we are going to add some matrix chart here. You will see here in left side, click on that add button and you will get the matrix chart here. If you want to add resource group, which resource group you have created in your Azure portal, then you will see the resource group details here. Like I will click on add. And one more thing, if you want to drag and drop it here, you can, like you, if you want to your matrix chart this side, then you can drag and drop on that. If you want a resource group on top, you can drag and drop and you will get the details. Same things, if you want to add clocks, then you can also click on add. Which format you want to add, 12 hour or 24 hours, you can select the format according to you and click on done, and you will get the clocks also on your dashboards. And after that, if you want to see the resource graph and single values, resource graph chart tiles, resource graphs markdown, organization identity, quick task, marketplace. If you want to add marketplace, just click on add and you will get the marketplace option in your dashboards. And after that, if you want to add your help and support, you can also add that one. If you click on add button, that will also added in your dashboards. And you can also same thing, drag and drop that one. And if you want to add anything details here, you can also add. And after once added, all things is added, you just click on done customizing and you will get the all details here. And one more thing is, like we are going to in home screens and I'm going to create an virtual machines. And if I want to this features, this option in my dashboard, then you have to click on pin icon, pin, and create. Then again go on your dashboard and go down and you will get the virtual machine option in your dashboard also. You can directly create virtual machine from here. So everything you can pin on your dashboard. Like if you want to add any resource application services, just you have to pin that, and that application is then shortcut is become on your dashboard which you have created. So after that, you have all services. In all services, we will get the details like which services provided by Microsoft Azure. You will get the loads of things here. Like in all services, you click, we will get the all subscription details, all details here, all services which Microsoft Azure is providing. Or if you want to see one by one in general, it will see the general services which Microsoft Azure is providing. In compute, it should provide you the related to virtual machine creation, virtual machine classic, virtual machine disk, virtual machine snapshot, disk snapshot. You will get the detail like this. In networking, you will get details like related to networking parts. In storage, you will get the details of storage part. So similar loads of services which Microsoft Azure is providing. So we can get and use any resource, any services from the Microsoft Azure portals. And after that is column your favorite column. And in your favorite, you can add anything which you require. So after that is your option is favorite, and in your favorite you can add anything whatever you requires here. And mostly people is adding that services, that tools which they guys are using daily basis, or 1 to 2 days they are using that services, they can add them in their favorites. So how they will add the services and detail resources and tools in favorites, just click on all services. And if you want to go in compute, and if you want to add your virtual machine features in your favorite, just you have to put on that, like all services compute virtual machine. And just when you click on virtual machine, in the right side you will see the new tab, new windows, virtual machine, and in top there is a star, that is the favorite button. Just click on that button, like I will show you first. You will get the details here. Virtual machine is added here. I'm going to delete this one here. I'm going to remove from favorite, like I'm going to remove. virtual machine from favorite. Sorry, once again. Like I'm going to click on a virtual machine and I'm going to remove it from favorite. I will click on that star button, and once I refresh Windows again, and you will see virtual machine option is missing here. Like I have refreshed, now you can't see the virtual machine option here. But if you want to add a virtual machine option here again, you go to services and see on virtual machine, and that click on the star button. You will get the again virtual machine option here after refresh it. So let me refresh it again, and you will see the virtual machine option in the last. So same things, you can add any things whatever you require to in your favorite according to you. You can add like networking. If you want to virtual network in your favorite, then you just click on the star button. You will get the details here, this star button. If you want to add load balancer, just click on load balance and just go to load balancer, and right side you will see the same things and click on star button. If you want to remove from favorite, you can just click on star. It will get automatic remove from your favorites. So same things is, if you want to add storage, you can also bookmark that. If you don't want it in your favorite, then you can just click on the button, just click on the favorite button, then it will get automatic remove from your favorites. So whatever you required, you can add anything in your favorite type. So after that, we will go on second option is upgrade. Upgrade is your subscription, like we are using free trial subscription here right now. If you want to upgrade, just click on the upgrade button and you will get your subscription upgraded in other subscription types like pay as you go model or any other types, whatever you require. And after that is most usable features in Microsoft Azure is search. In search, whatever you require, you can search anything. Like I'm going to click on here storage. You will get the details related to storage. If you click on storage accounts, you will get the option for creation of your storage accounts. If you want to explore storage explorer, everything you will get. Like if you want to create any virtual machine, you just click on the virtual machine here. Sorry, some internet connection is break. So like if you want to add a virtual machine, just click on here virtual machine, click on that, and you will get the option for virtual machine creation here, like add create virtual machine. If you go on home screen, if you click on here virtual machine, then you will get the same window. If you go on all services and click on virtual machine, then also you get the same virtual option. So you can search here directly. You don't need to go any tab, any button, any tools for do anything. You just click on here and type the name, you will get the same options. And one more benefits of the search here, virtual machine, like we will search, and in the right window you will see the marketplace option also, and there is a documentation option which Microsoft is providing for learning purpose. Like virtual machine like we are going to learn anything from related to virtual machine, and go to documentation and click on what's new in Windows virtual desktop. Just click on that and learn about that. You will get the details in detail on Microsoft portals, and you can learn and improve your knowledge according to that. If you want to learn anything more storage related, just type storage and click on the documentation tab and use storage, Azure storage with Azure SDK or for Python. You will get the details, all details here, all documents which Microsoft is provided by their portal, and that is free for learning for you. So that's the most beneficial and searchable format, searchable option in Microsoft Azure portal, and you will get every details and everything here whatever you requires, and all documents you can search from here related to basic to extra knowledge. Like if you are going to learn about databases, then you will also get the option for sorry, spell mistake. and you will just click on that Azure Data Explorer databases. You will see learn the databases options, databases and tables, columns, storage functions. You will get every documents here through Microsoft Azure portals. And after that, you will see another most usable features in Microsoft Azure, which is Cloud Shell. And in Cloud Shell, they are providing two options. One is PowerShell, and second one is Bash. So PowerShell, you mostly guys know about PowerShell, which is Windows feature, Microsoft features, and Bash is a Linux features, which is usually most able all the Linux versions like Ubuntu, Linux, Red Hat, CentOS. So everything they are using Bash, and PowerShell is used by Microsoft Windows. So in Cloud Shell you will get the both options, PowerShell and Bash. And one more thing, whenever we are going to launch our Cloud Shell, we require the storage account for that. So like whatever we are going to do, whatever we are going to implement, they will get the logs in storage accounts. So we will learn about how to use the Cloud Shell. So in the next options we are getting here, subscription and directory. What subscription we are using, we can get the details here, and directory, which directory we are using. And after that is the notification. In notification we will get the every notification whatever we are going to deploy in our Azure portal. Like if we are going to create any virtual machine, if we are going to create any net VPC, if we are going to create any storage account, if we are going to create any databases, we will get everything notification here for the creation, deploymentation, and in progress. Once completed, then it will show you that that is completed. So every notification we will get here. And after that is a setting. It is related to your home page and Azure home and dashboard related. Like if I'm going to click on setting, you will get the portal setting. So if you want to customize it, you can customize it according to you. Sign me out when inactive, you can click on here. If you are 15 minutes inactive, then it will automatic sign out from the Azure portal. If you want to click on never, then it will never sign out from the Azure portals. So you can customize the settings. If you want to change the language, you can click on here. And after that is two options, choose your default views. If you want to default views your home screen, then you can click on home. If you want to show your dashboard, then it will show you dashboard. If you want to change the home screen home page, like color, themes, you will change from the details here, like this, fly out or docked, whatever suitable for you, then you can do it. And if you want to change theme, you also can change the themes. And high contrast themes, enable pop-up notification. If you uncheck this, then we will not get the pop-up for pop-up notifications. If you check mark it, then whenever we are going to do anything, we will get the pop-up notifications. And if you are going to change anything in your dashboard, then you can do the same things in dashboard also. And after that, restore default setting, export all settings, and delete all setting and private dashboards, whatever you have created in your Azure portals. And after that, same thing is help. In help also you can get the Microsoft related documentation. If you are getting any issues, then you will can get help here. If you are getting any issue with your Azure portal, any resource, any deployments, any tools, you can get also help from here. And after that is feedback. That feedback is related to your Microsoft Azure accounts. If you are getting any issue, then you can submit your feedback. If you are satisfied from the Azure console, Azure portal, Azure services, then you can share your feedback here also. So everything is possible here. So just you have to ID about whatever we are getting the details. And after that you will get your email ID, which whatever we have login and which we are using for Microsoft Azure accounts. And after that, if you want to check your details, you can check my Microsoft accounts. If you want to switch directory or and going to switch users, then you can also switch the hairs. Also in Microsoft Azure, you can use multiple directories with single accounts, and you can switch the directory from one to another. and you can multiple use multiple subscription also in your single accounts. So that is depend on you, whatever you want to do that. So I think, thank you guys. It is very interesting and very knowledgeable learning, and I think you guys also get confidence how to customize, how to get the details, how to use the help service, how to use the cloud shell, how to use search options in Microsoft Azure. So thank you guys, bye bye, and keep watching. And one more thing, please subscribe our YouTube channel if you getting a good knowledge from our YouTube channel, and click on bell icon so that you will get the notification for all coming videos. So thank you guys, bye bye.